She brought her babies out. There's 4 little baby trash pandas. 4 baby Rockies. I'm sorry. It's been raining today, so my window is a little fogged and has raindrops on it. Not sure if I should actually be excited that there's 4 more raccoons. But yet they're so cute. Somebody got left in the woods. Sorry, let me try and see if I can get this less shaky. Oh. Their little 4th decided to come play. I actually need to refill a lot of the bird feeders, but because it was raining this morning, and raining hard, I haven't gotten out to refill things. Still some birds, but as far as I can tell, they're starlings and grackles. Yep. There's a woodpecker that flew up onto my deck. Hey, little woodpecker, please don't peck my deck. Which he's doing, but oh well. I'm gonna keep focusing on the little baby raccoons. Not sure how long they'll stick around. Hopefully my trail camera will pick up the movement, because they're cute. Again, not really sure I should be happy that there's 4 more out and about, but they're cute little things right now. And since I have stopped them from getting up the pole now, I don't mind all that much. Certainly the ground cast-offs are fine. Well, little ones ran away for now, so I'll stop, but interesting development. I was pretty sure she was a female, and a nursing female at that, so kind of nice to have confirmation of that.